Do you know Accenture provides 5 different welcome gifts for their employees? Hey everyone, my name is Vinay and you're watching Vinay Talks. In this video, I'll be talking about those 5 different welcome gifts and who gets what. If this sounds interesting, I recommend you to watch this video till then. Let's get started. Generally, Accenture provides welcome gifts based on 2 parameters. So this is based on the experience and how fresher you are. So if when I say experienced, let us say Ramu is a person who worked at X company for about 3 years and then he joined Accenture. Now the packages and the welcome gift that he get at Accenture is different from the ones who join Accenture as a fresher. So I'll be talking about those two. Now let us start with the experienced guy. Now this experienced guy gets around something like this. Now you can check out the picture out there. So based on this, if you identify, this person is eligible to get a bag along with a book and a mask and a cup as well as a flask and a lot more stuff. Basically the package is really big. But the thing is, the persons who get covered under this welcome kit is not freshers. This is given for experienced candidates. Now for example, let the role is say data analyst engineer. Then these kind of persons will be eligible to get this big packages like the gift package. Now coming to the next like welcome gift category, this is being offered to someone like a fresher. Now when I say the freshers, again there are some parameters here. Now these freshers can be someone who passed out basically this year itself. Now when I say this year, say for example 2021 pass outs as well as 2020 pass outs and 2019 pass outs. Now these are considered as freshers. Now when they are joining Accenture, the welcome gift they are getting is different. For example, for a 2021 pass out, if you are a cloud, like if you get cloud and networking models, Latin models, these kind of people who joined earlier, these people joined very much earlier than the remaining people. Now for these kind of people, you can expect a laptop bag and a headphone. This is one kind of gift. And if you are someone who joined via on campus, and your package, like your welcome gift, will be again different. So what are these and how are these being delivered? So for a particular month, Accenture gives certain form of gift that is same for certain batch. Now these are the things that different kinds of possible packages. Now what are all those packages? Let me show you. Here are some examples of those packages. And if I say a person can get a laptop bag and a headphone, this is one package. A person can get a laptop bag as well as a book like something like a diary and a pen. This is another package, gift package. And the next one is you can get a laptop bag and a keychain and a pen. So for a fresher, if you see, the package that you get is not predictable. You cannot predict exactly what you're going to get. It is varying. For example, you can get something like this: a bag plus either a book or a pen or a keychain. Next, you can get a bag and a headset, headphones plus a pen, a book or keychain. So this can be varying based on your team and your recruiting members. They will be deciding the package and will be sending. This can be varying for person to person, but you should not think that you will get everything like that was shown on YouTube. No, most of the videos that are being presented on YouTube, welcome gifts, are not given for freshers, like someone who joined right now from the passed out graduates. The package, the welcome gift is different for you guys, and that is all for persons who already worked at some other company and joined the company recently. So there are a lot of stuff that are being presented to the experienced guys, but very less to the freshers who are joining. So this is about packages that you are likely to get from Accenture. And once again, I'm telling you, the package that you're gonna get is not predictable. Even for the experienced candidate, we cannot ensure that everyone gets it. There are some things that you need to apply for it. Sometimes you have to apply based on the availability. You have to apply for it, only then you can get it. So this is important, and you need to talk with your HR regarding the your welcome gift if you are experienced candidate. But for the freshers who joined Accenture, you will be getting this welcome gift, but you cannot get too much. I don't say this is justified or not. You can let me know in the comment section below what you think is justified, and did you like the welcome gifts, or what are your expectations and all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to share it with your friends.